TDBro is a sophisticated, user-friendly and meticulously structured transformer design software for the electrical and mechanical design, documentation, costing and 2D, 3D drawings that empowers user to generate optimized designs for a wide range of single-phase and three-phase transformers, both oil-cooled and VPI or cast resin dry type for natural as well as forced cooling. Transformers to be designed can be for distribution, for power, isolation, unit auxiliary, earthing, rectifier, and for solar or UPS applications. TDBro Software outputs designs for the transformer of rating up to 200 million volt amperes, having maximum HV winding voltage of 245 kilovolts. With TDBro, designing transformers has never been so easy. Simply input the rating of the transformer and few electrical parameters. TDBro allows user to select a tank with different types of radiators. Radiator can be with flange, the corrugated fin, the elliptical tube. Tank can be with or without conservator. The construction can be for the pad-mounted transformers and for the unitized substations. TDBro outputs many electrical design cards and the complete tank, radiator, and conservator designs. TDBro Software allows user to modify clearances between live part and tank walls. TDBro displays heat dissipated by the tank and the radiators. TDBro allows the user to choose the width and quantity of the radiators and also the shape and size of the conservator. For transformers with corrugated fin radiators, TDBro Software offers flexibility to edit the fin quantity, its height, depth, and also the gap between them. User can choose the thickness of the tank walls, jacking pads, and lifting lugs. TDBro allows user to change base channel size, bushing type, type of cover, and the frame type. TDBro displays pressure sustained by the tank. TDBro Software allows user to add or delete the accessories like Bucos relay, magnetic oil gauge, pressure release valve, silica gel breather, thermometer pocket, air release plug, temperature indicators, and wheel diameter. TDBro Software designs transformers for both types of tap changers, in tank or external. Conservator mounting can be either along the tank's length or on any of the width sides. TDBro outputs the general arrangement drawing with appropriate quantity and sizing of terminals or bushings, cable boxes, and bus ducts at the right positions automatically. TDBro Software provides sub-assembly and sheet metal manufacturing drawings in 2 and 3 dimensions for frame parts, cover, tank and accessories including explosion vent, conservator, and tank curb. The drawings for the loose parts like cable and marshalling boxes get generated instantly. Drawings as output by TDBro Software display the exact mass of the parts, sub-assembly, and the transformer. The general arrangement drawing of a transformer has 3-dimensional views. The drawings as generated are 100% editable by the user. Plinth drawing as displayed shows the essential foundation details for transformer installation. Mechanical drawings are automatically generated in less than 2 minutes, matching with the electrical design. This globally accepted transformer design software has already been in use in all the 7 continents of the world, making it a trusted and the reliable tool. TDBro Software significantly improves the productivity of the design engineers, sales and costing engineers, production engineers, and also for the power utility companies, satisfies the production flow and the end user with the timely submission of the drawings. The innumerable users from across the globe have testified the efficacy for the TDBro software. Our esteemed customers